We are all set para po sa ating 4th Governor Ann K. Hofer Open Invitational Basketball Tournament para po sa 25th araw ng Zamboanga Sibugay. James Payosing.
Mayong gabiin ninyo. Sa natin is Coach Paul Oben. First game for both players.
So ito James Payosing against Makalalag. 10 seconds on the clock. Toss the screen for Gani. Payosing escapes and scores. Agad kay Noy Rimogat. Scans the floor. Jacob Baila, long 2. That's good for 2.
Last year.
Kakasabak pa lang niya sa Lasal. Nag-champion ka agad.
A born winner. Good seal there.
Wow! But andun yung putback coming from Gani Stevens.
Good matchup there ninyo. Itong Stevens and Luis Pablo.
5-minute halfway ng ating first quarter. Jacob Baila kicks out. BJ Pre. Long 2. Rattles out. Rebound. Andito napulot. Payosing. 4 points na for James. Sean Alter. Will catch this one. Takbo si BJ Pre. 3-point lead. Nice drop to Sean Alters.
Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo.
Kaya pasensya na din sa mga nagchat-chat sa amin. Medyo mahina lang yung data dito as Briones knocks down. Yun yung malakas.
We all know itong Rainer Maga. We covered this guy sa PSL 21 under natin.
3 years ago.
Ni-recruit ko nga yan sa San Carlos. Sabi niya, Coach, I will try first sa Manila.
Fakes. Balik ulit sa kanya. Rimogat for 2. Put back by Iniguez.
Totoo, si Nino. Pag 10 years na sa college, he stopped for 3 years working sa Manila. Commentator. 4 years pala.
Gani Stevens with a one-handed putback doon. Noy Rimogat fires for 3. That's good for Noy Rimogat. Sino yung susubok ulit? Andito pa rin ulit kay Rimogat. Cross-court pass. Skip pass to Maga. Calls for a screen. 5 seconds to shoot. Maga inside. Gani Stevens off the glass. Rimogat asking it. Binigay naman. Shot clock natin nasa 10. Crossover. Fake. Extra step off the glass. Masyadong mahina. Agawa ng rebound. BJ Pre. That's a 2-pointer.
Santo galing itong si Ikarma. Clearly still very young here for UP fighting Maroons. Camarines pala yan. Naka-assign yung UP.
Rimogat goes inside to Pre.
To VJ Pre. Bastos yun, ninyo.
Baila. BJ Pre. Baila asking for Odudu. Baila spins, fires. That's good for 2. Baila. That's the end of the first 20 minutes. Araw ng Zamboanga Sibugay. And ito po ang ating 4th season ng Governor Ann K. Hofer Basketball Open Invitational Tournament. Coach, to open up this quarter, batiin natin yung mga nanonood sa atin. At saka yung mga nanonood din sa atin. Nagpapabate, Richie Abastas, nabilid sa Cebu. Luis Pablo against Briones, rattles out. Secured by Gani Stevens. Jacob Baila with a touchdown.
What a pass there for Ray Rimogat. Malatang Brady.
Sa Tabuelan, sina Idol Kyle Cruz Arnado at sa mga taga-Tabuelan tsaka sa mga relatives ko dyan sa Tuburan, Cebu. Wow, what a pass coming from Ray Rimogat.
Yung mga short corner, one-hand looper, dapat matik na yan. Good pass again.
Gani Stevens.
The rhythm. Yun yung hinahanap ng Green Archers. Again, so far, nahirapan dito ang De La Salle Niño because of the rotation. Medyo short lang talaga sila. Without Kian Baclaan, nahirapan.
That's Iniguez. Miss shot stolen away by Jacob Baila. Poyos all day. Poyos scores! Third quarter natin. Under 2 minutes. Jacob Baila drops it. Odudu makes it a high arcing shot. Oh, big shot for Rainer Maga.
Former UV Green Lancers, the former MPBL player, I think still on Basilan. Shout out to his family too.
Wow, Noy Remogat.
Advantage today. Dagdag ni Seven sa tagal niyang naghintay, 2 years na lang ang kanyang playing year sa UAAP kaya gusto niyang masulit at mag-shine, and what better way to do that than to perform in front of your former team, especially to cut this lead.
Back to the ball game. UP still up here by 12 points. Wow, BJ Pre. Wide open underneath, coach. Alone but not lonely. Oo. Para mga Paul Hoben lang eh, no? Yung mga feeds niya kay Enrico Lianto dati. And, you know, Remogat,
Oh, good block there by Luis Pablo.
but BJ Pre still not finished here. Cortez wants to go inside. Stolen away by Jacob Baila. BJ Pre. James Payosing on in attack mode. The LSU. Nice stop by James Payosing. The layup. Gani Stevens. Nilabas pa. And ito na nga. Congratulations to UP Fighting Maroons for winning against the LSU Green Archers